Check out this Dodge 2020 Challenger RT Scat Pack. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 6-speed manual Tremec, STD, wheels, 20-inch x 9 inches LO gloss granite crystal, STD, tires, 245/45 ZR20 AS performance, STD, engine, 6.4L V8 SRT Hemi, STD, granite pearl coat, quick order package 23 grams RT Scat Pack included, engine 6.4L V8 SRT Hemi transmission, 6-speed manual Tremec, black Scat Pack logo houndstooth seat, gas guzzler tax and rear-wheel drive. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule